In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Coinbase. This is really important if you want to receive Bitcoin from someone else or transfer it from another wallet into your Coinbase account. A lot of people get confused about where exactly to find this, but I'll break it down for you step by step. The first thing you need to do is open up the Coinbase app on your phone. Give it a moment to load up, and once you're inside, we're going to look specifically for your Bitcoin wallet. For most people, Bitcoin will show right at the top of the list of assets, so just go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you've selected Bitcoin, you'll see your BTC wallet screen. Right in the middle, you'll notice where it shows BTC wallet, along with your balance. For me, the balance is showing as 0, but your screen might look a little different depending on whether you already have some Bitcoin in there. What you want to do next is look to the right-hand side of that screen where you'll see a small arrow. Tap on that, and then pay attention to the top right corner. Right next to the arrow, you should see an icon that looks like 4 little boxes. Go ahead and select that. And there you have it, that's your Bitcoin wallet address. Coinbase will display it for you right there. You can either copy it to your clipboard so you can paste it elsewhere, or you can share it directly with whoever needs to send you Bitcoin. Just make sure you only share this address with people you trust, since this is what allows them to send BTC to your wallet. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to find your Bitcoin wallet address inside the Coinbase app. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.